In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect N8N to Shopify. So first, open N8N and click on the plus icon to create a new workflow. In the search bar, type Shopify. You will see different options and you can choose either from actions or triggers. For this example, I'm going to choose the action Create an Order. Click on it, and from here you need to fill in these parameters. The first step is to create new credentials. Click on Create New Credential. You can connect using an access token, OAuth2, or an API key. In this tutorial, I'll choose OAuth2. Now you will see fields for the client ID, client secret, and shop subdomain. Let's get this information from Shopify. Go to the bottom left corner of Shopify and click on Settings. Then choose Domains. Here you will see your store domain. Copy just the first part of your domain and paste it into the shop subdomain field in N8N. So once you paste your shop subdomain in N8N, we need to get our client secret key and client ID. To do this, go to Shopify and click on Apps and Sales Channels. Then click on Develop Apps. After that, click on Build Apps in Developer Dashboard. Now click Create App and give your app a name, for example Test, then click Create. Once the app is created, scroll down and you'll see two boxes where you need to paste the redirect URLs from N8N. Go back to N8N and copy the OAuth redirect URL. Paste it into the Preferences URL field and then paste the same URL again in the second box. After that, remove the last two parts of the URL so it ends with .cloud. This makes sure the link works correctly. Next, scroll down and click on Select Scopes. Here, you can choose what you want to access from Shopify. For example, if you are creating orders in N8N, select Read Orders and Write Orders. Then click Done. Now go to the top right corner and click on Release. Enter a version name, for example Test 1, and click Release again. Once it's released, click on Settings on the left side. Here you will see your client ID and client secret key. Copy both of these and paste them into N8N. After that, click on Connect My Account. A new pop-up window will appear asking you to install the app. Click on Install, and after a few seconds, you'll see that the account has been connected successfully. Now if you go back to N8N, you'll see the Create an Order action is connected, which means the integration works. And that's it. That's how you can connect Shopify to N8N. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more automation and workflow tutorials.